Hello students, today we are going to introduce how to perform microwave practicals by using microwave test bench. So before performing practicals, first we have to understand what is a microwave test bench. So the first thing, and it is very important that all the practicals mentioned in the SPPU Savitribai Phule University BENTC syllabus, we can perform all practicals by using this microwave test bench. But before starting the practicals, make sure that you all are studied microwave sources and types and basic devices. So to perform the practical, we are having two options. First one by using reflex klystron and second one by using gun diode. Reflex klystron is used for high power and gun diode is used for low power application. Before starting with microwave test bench, first we have to study the microwave component. When started with the component, the first type of a component is an active component and second is a passive component. So if you learn or if you know the microwave devices, then in an active component, example are reflex klystron, gun diode and SWR meter. And for passive component, the examples are directional coupler, teeth, isolator. Those we can use in a microwave test bench. This is nothing but a gun diode NV 9000 series microwave test bench practical setup. So this is the first one is your SWR meter, then isolator, this is your isolator, then attenuator, direct frequency meter, slotted section, and your SWR meter. This second is used for a reflex klystron. This is reflex klystron source, reflex klystron, again attenuator, then frequency meter, slotted section, and SWR meter. So in practicals, next practical, we will learn how to perform the practical by using hardware, and same practical can be performed by using virtual lab because of this pandemic situation. Okay? So thank you for listening this lecture.
For more information of this topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel Pinnacle.